Talofa everyone, welcome back to our channel. Apologies for the long delay, life has been so busy. Picking up here at the end of our Saturday in Samoa. If you missed the first part of the day, check out that video too. Hope you enjoy this video. We thank you so much for the alofas and the support for our channel.
Thanksgiving Day tomorrow.
Oh, yeah? Oh, okay. A nice job, huh? Got umu. Ay, ay, ay. Oh, wow. Oh my goodness. That's awesome. Hi. After a nice day visiting at the Fale while they prepped the umu for Sunday toonai, Mom's little girl Shana came back to Taumeasina with us. She wants to stay the night at the hotel. Then Mom and Sapena will meet us later for Fiafia night.
No, I stay here.
Yeah, you want to? We enjoyed the sunset view and then got ready for dinner. We had made reservations and they told me 7 p.m., but I guess that's actually when the show starts. It would have been great to get there a little bit earlier so we could get a seat closer to the show, but we had a great evening all together. I want to try to get everybody, so you got to stand back a little bit. Stand behind. And then I can.
Small stink. Small stink.
Small stink?
Yeah.
Yeah. There we go. Okay, we're going this way. Okay. See everyone. Mom.
Rewind, when we rewind, feels so nice. We time, you I know how to make me feel right. I can't help how this sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk, you need to say let's convey. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. Why you blushing? Yeah, sweet concussion. Oh, you miss my touching. You do.
That's like ketchup and sweet and sour sauce. Oka and poke. Chicken coconut soup. Yeah, did your mom say it's okay? Did you ask your mom if it's okay for you? Oh, the show's starting. Video the inside of the palasami.
We're going to bring up the girls with the next number called Lauhani. Sapena.
Hello. Huh? What about it? Hello. Huh? What about it?
I can do anything. And straightforward, backstage. That's why we need any time. I'm not very talented. You gotta really cool too. That's what it is. This is the final show.
What?
You guys are being on the whole
Do you ask him?
Yes.
What did he say?
I can sleep here.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
I asked mom and dad.
And they said yes?
Yes.
Okay then. Huh?
Okay, come on.
It is so nice.
Do you have any other birthdays, any anniversaries? Okay. So do you have any? Is it your birthday? What's your name? Jasmine. You okay? Jasmine, move a little bit closer. That's sorry, what's your name? John. Okay. Don't look at me, just look into your palm. You look at me every day here. Okay, let's start
Lagi
again from
nyabak
the
nak
beginning.
lihat.
They want all over the food salad. Let's do it again. Papaya, mango, pineapple, banana. Good. We're going to mix the fruit salad one more time. And after that, the band is going to play the beat. And you guys are going to dance. You know, I don't care whatever dance you know. Just rock my stage, right? Okay? Okay? Are you okay? What's your name?
Georgia,
Georgia, where you?
Australia.
Do we have any Aussies in the house? Come on, Aussies. Make a lot of noise. Where you from? Do we have any Kiwis in the house? Yeah, me too. I was born in New Zealand. Where you from?
Samoa.
Yeah, 6:35 for the stick. Hey, we're gonna do the fruit salad one more time, and after that, the band's going to play the beat. Papaya! Mango! Pineapple! Banana!
Esse favor de Anoa, esse favor de Moana, a feia Sapena e Turiatu, Taumeasina feia de Muriva, Turiatu e favor de Matane, Turiatu e favor de Matane. Afrikete se wale manu, tautei ese toonai nganu. They favor tatei manatu natu, faila nunu ile manu manu. Afrikete se wale manu, tautei ese toonai nganu. They favor tatei manatu natu. Faila nunu ile manu manu.
After an awesome day and night together in Samoa, we headed to bed. Shana stayed with us. We got a few bedtime selfies in. Tomorrow's kogai with Mom's family, and we can't wait. Thank you so much for watching. Thanks to all our subscribers. Manuel Lepo.